Bananas are a very popular fruit with children and adults and can often be found as part of school meals. For the most part, bananas are served whole to students. The tricky part is serving ripe, ready-to-eat bananas. A ripe banana is slightly firm, bright yellow with a few brown flecks in the peel. At this point, it has a very sweet taste. Be sure to always rinse your bananas. Then remove the end of the banana that is often unappealing using a chef's knife. Try to remove only as much as necessary for eye appeal so that the customer is able to peel the banana easily. If your school food service operation serves bananas that are cut in half, be sure to coat the end with an acid. Otherwise, the end of the banana will turn a dark brown. You can peel the banana in the traditional manner, or you can do what the chimpanzee does. Pinch this end and open. This way, you can use the other end as a handle. Don't monkey around, eat more fresh fruits and vegetables.